597, State versus Joseph Navarro, attorney, Brian De La Rosa.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Brian.
Sorry, I'm trying to get my earpiece connected here. I am here. I believe we're waiting for felony. But I do have some pretrial motions some pretrial issues I'd like to take up, Judge. I don't know if you want to do that now or wait till after docket.
No, we're not going to do it right now because this is just the call of the docket. If
That's
you want
fine.
to wait, we'll do it.
I can wait. Yeah. I do have another hearing at 10:30, Judge, but I can wait.
All right.
Judge, this is Navarro.
Is Joseph Navarro around?
That is Joseph right there.
Pardon me?
That was him right now. Did you hear him? Just say present, Joseph. We'll take up your issues in a little while.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good.
I also have Tito Lopez this morning, Your Honor.
Which case number?
Tito Lopez, that would be case number 666980.
66.
Or 981, I'm sorry. And I'm not looking at the docket at the moment, Judge, so I couldn't tell you where it is.
On page 7, Judge.
Yeah, 666.
981.
981. Okay, that is Brian De La Rosa. I've got you. What are you going to do with that one?
I haven't had contact with him, Your Honor. And pretrial hasn't talked to him either. I think he has a couple of violations. So unless he's there in the courtroom, you have to do what you will with that one, Judge.
And I'll mark it failure to appear. I will call it again. If there's no appearance, there'll be a warrant issued unless you produce them within 1 week.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. 597-288, State versus Lily Rodriguez, attorney, Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Isidro Montoya. Judge, I've been in contact with my client. She does not have an email, so I told her to be at the courtroom.
Well, Ms. Castillo, is Ms. Lily Rodriguez in the courtroom?
No, sir.
I'm marking her absent. She does have a warrant, Mr. Montoya.
Yes, I was going to ask her to recall it if she showed up, but I can wait till the end of the docket and see if she shows up.
Thank you, sir. 601-931, State versus Josephine Gonzalez, attorney Michael Collins.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good morning. I am well, Mr. Collins. How about you?
So far, so good. Off to a roaring start, Your Honor.
Josephine Gonzalez.
I don't know if she's here or not, Your Honor.
Josephine Gonzalez. No response. At this time, she's marked absent.
I'll try to call her and try to see where she's at, Your Honor. I have another one on the docket, so I'll just stay on.
All right. Meantime, you want to try and confer anything?
Not yet, unless I find her, Your Honor. I'll wait till my second case is called. Thank you.
All right. 615-296, State versus Frankie Vargas, attorney.
Judge, I'm here for, good morning, Judge. I'm present with counsel, or he's present with counsel.
Very good. What are you doing this morning?
I think we need a trial setting, Judge.
It was marked indicating a plea, but we'll certainly put you on. We'll mark you for a trial. Patricia?
Yes, Judge.
When do they appear for we're now doing trial docket calls.
December 3rd.
You got that, Mr.?
I do, Judge. I do.
3rd.
All right. May Mr. Vargas and I be excused?
You are excused. 615505, State versus
He's not there yet.
Marco Lozano, attorney, David Parent. Attorney David Parent. No response.
Yes, we're here, sir.
Present.
Who's we?
Mark Lozano, I'm right here, sir.
Okay, Mr. Lozano, I see you. What about your attorney? Where is he at?
My attorney said he was gonna be logging on to the Zoom meeting, Mr. Dave Parent. He wanted to get it reset as well. I'm not sure how that's gonna happen, but
Well, we'll have to wait till he comes back in and announces. Thank you. Stick around.
thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
616612, State versus Honorio Galarza, attorney, George Sherman II.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here. I don't see him yet. We've sent him the information to show up, and I just texted him, so he should log on shortly.
I hear the word should, and I agree with you.
Right.
Just stick around, George, and see what happens.
Sure.
Right now, he's absent. You want to do anything on this morning?
We don't, I mean, I don't know if it's a red file or not. I don't have the blood draw result.
Okay, so we have a blood draw issue. That's going to get you a 60-day reset. However, if your client doesn't appear, that will not happen. So we'll have to wait and see.
Yes, sir. I'll give him a call also.
Alrighty, stay safe. 616872, State versus Sendell Pope, and the attorney is William Brooks.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I've not heard from Mr. Pope. I did forward him the link. He was in court last time. I'm not sure if he's there this morning.
No, he's not.
Pardon me? Sendell Pope? Marked absent as of right now. I will make a second call. 618, you want to do anything on this meantime?
And no, Judge, we were making an application for pretrial diversion, but if I can be excused, I'll try and find him.
All right. Is it a gentleman or a lady? Because I heard you say both.
Judge.
Pardon me?
It's a gentleman, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
618-390, State versus Jose Martinez. Attorney is Paul Acevedo.
He's logging on now, Judge.
Okay.
Judge Longoria, this is Stacy Krause. I think you skipped my case.
Which one is yours, ma'am?
615522.
It's crossed out, Stacy. I thought you were on vacation.
Oh, no.
Oh, by golly, let's unvacation her. 615522, State versus James, is that
No.
David?
It's
Jamel.
Jamal Davis.
Davis? What's the name? Because it got scratched too. Stacy?
Jamel Leroy Davis.
Jamel Davis, okay. And Stacy Krause, no longer on vacation.
I do need to talk to the prosecutors about this. But is he
Number
there?
one. You're number one.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Prosecutors for County Court 5, Ms. Pollard, Ms. Haas, are either one of you available?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Ashley. I'm available. Miss Pollard is currently in jail court right now.
Okay. Then I will have you confer, please, with Stacy Krause.
Yes, Your Honor.
Back to the regular docket. Before I got interrupted by a person on vacation. 618-290. I call that Paul Acevedo. Did he log on or not, Patty?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Paul?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
I am doing good. Which, is this on Jose, on Carlos Gomez?
Jose Martinez.
Martinez, yes, I'm present. I'm Mr. Martinez, and I also have a Jose Gomez on your docket, Your Honor.
Okay, where's Jose Martinez? I have not heard him respond.
They're both in my lobby. Would you like to see them?
Page 3, Judge.
Are they with you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're an officer of the court. I don't expect you to lie to me. I'll accept that.
Thank you, Judge.
Your second case is?
Second case is
Page 3, Judge. 633.
Carlos Enrique Gomez.
Yes, Your Honor. He is
Okay.
also here. They're both here in my lobby.
Is Mr. Gomez going to be a plea?
Yes, Your Honor, we just need the paperwork.
All right. And what about the first case, Mr. Martinez? What are you gonna do with that one?
Your Honor, Mr. Martinez,
Hello, good morning.
yes, Judge. I need to confer with the state on Mr. Martinez, Your Honor.
Okay, well, that's what I'm waiting to hear from you. You are number 2 to confer. I think you heard Ms. Haas announce that our second prosecutor is in jail court. All right, continuing. 618823 and 618824. State versus Patrick Hutfeld. The
I think
attorney
that's mine, Your Honor.
is,
He's
Mr.
president of council.
Hello, Scott. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What do you have on that, Mr. Scott?
I would like to confer with the prosecutor by email, however, if you could just take my client, if you could excuse me and my client so I could do that, I appreciate it.
You know, this is the second time I hear you recently, and you have a very garbled audio system.
Is that better, Your Honor?
You might want to have that checked out, Mr. Engel, because it sounds very garbled.
I'm sorry.
Difficult to hear. Now, is Mr. Heitfeld here?
I've seen him on the screen.
Present.
Okay.
Present, Your Honor.
Very good, very good. All right, you're number 3 to confirm, Mr. Engelke.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 621-806, State versus Oscar Garza, attorney Ernest Acevedo III. Ernest Acevedo III. Frequently referred
Your
to
Honor,
as
Your
E3.
Honor, all of Ernesto Acevedo's cases got reset. He was on vacation. He appeared this morning and I reminded him because it's his first day back, but he said he was going to confer with the state and all his 3 clients were given the new court date, November 17th.
Okay, so Oscar Garza is reset and Mr. Acevedo will confer. He is
Yes,
number
sir.
4. What are the other cases that are in his name?
On page 1, Your Honor, the last one, 618-697, it's crossed through.
Okay, he's gonna confirm that though.
Yes, Your Honor.
All
And
right.
then on page 2, the second from the bottom, 629-831,
Also crossed out.
DeBaron Alexander. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez, attorney Catherine Valenzuela.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present. We'd like to confer.
You are number 5 to confirm, ma'am.
I have 2 others.
Okay,
You just want me to wait?
About on Veronica Gutierrez, is she present?
I apologize. I just got on. I'm not sure.
Veronica Gutierrez. As of this time, she is absent. All right, now, who are your other 2 cases, Ms. Valenzuela?
I have Francisco Perez, 634-722.
634-722. All righty. Is he present?
I'm
Present, Your Honor.
There he is. I'd like to confer on that one, Your Honor.
Hold on. All right, that is, good morning, Mr. Perez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you for being on time. And your third one, Ms. Valenzuela.
It's a Jasmine De Leon and it's 645-350.
All right, last one on page 4. Valenzuela present. Jasmine De Leon.
Yes, I'm present.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for being on time. Okay, court will continue the docket. 625-139. State versus Jason Hernandez, attorney, David Christian.
Hey, Judge, I'm here. Sorry, I'm in another docket call. It's crazy. Hi, David Christian here. I don't think I need to confer, Your Honor. If we could get on your call docket list, that'd probably be the best way to resolve it.
And where's your client? Jason Hernandez?
Jason Hernandez. He's there somewhere, Judge. Sorry, I'm doing it from my phone, so I don't have my big computer.
That's
but
fine.
He's here.
I've marked him for you. Yes, sir. All right, gentlemen, then this is going to be on trial docket. And you are both, do you have any other cases, David?
No, sir. That's the only one.
And you're excused for the rest of the day.
Thank you,
least from this court.
Yeah, no, I'm here. I might stop by and see you. Thank you, sir.
All right, 626-214, State versus John.
Scrogum.
Say again?
Scrogum.
Scrogum. All right,
That's it.
attorney Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here from Corley. If I can be, if I can confer with the state judge, please.
You're not fooling me. You're not Linda Corley. You're Kim Beza.
I am.
Good morning to you, Kim.
Good morning.
Okay, Mr. Scrogum is here because he even has helped me to pronounce the name. What are you doing this morning, ma'am?
Judge, I'd like to confer with the state.
And so you shall. You're number 6 on the list. Not necessarily numerically 6, because there's several with multiples. Stick around. 627-040. State versus Angel Camacho Trejo. And that is Johnny Cisneros. Johnny Cisneros. No response from Mr. Cisneros. Angel Camacho Trejo. Marked absent. 632-689, State versus Jesse Chapa, attorney. Jesus Lopez.
Present here, Your Honor. I've actually got more than one on today's docket.
All right.
I believe that my client might be in the courtroom. He's usually present in person.
He's there, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Buenos dias, Señor Chapa.
Good, sir.
All right. And you wanted to confer, you said?
Yes, and I just want to let you know, I do have another one on your docket this morning.
Give me the other one so we can put you together on them.
640-631, Enrique Salazar.
Yes, sir. Bottom of page 3. Okay, Jesus, thank you. And is Mr. Enrique Salazar. Enrique Salazar.
I anticipate that he's probably going to be present in the courtroom. He was present in the courtroom last time.
No, he's not.
He's not at this point, but your Mr. Chapa is. All right. Let's see, your number. I lost the numbers now.
Judge, I have him as number 6.
Okay, I have Linda Corley Kimbeza is number 6. So I'll move this one number 7. 7A is Chapa. And 7B
Was I supposed to put George Sharman to confer even though his client wasn't present?
I don't think he asked to I believe he requested a to confer.
So yes, put him in to confer. Judge?
No, he's the one that is waiting for the blood discovery. The only reason he had to wait is because his client had not appeared.
Okay.
Bart Sharman, did you want to confer? Okay, I don't think so. I could be wrong. If he does, we'll put him right in when he comes in. All right, continuing the docket. 3 cases on Kenna Moreno, 632-982, 632-983, 632-984. Attorney.
Hello.
Lina Carriedo.
present. Good morning, Judge. Lina Carriedo here, and my client, Kina Moreno, is here. Judge, this is supposed to be for plea today for all three cases. However, after reviewing the case further, we saw a few things that would help my client. So if we can just have additional pre-trial time and further discuss the matter with the prosecutors, Your Honor.
So how much time do you need?
Another 30 days, if that would be okay.
And that's going to be for disposition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. And so it shall be. Then, do you have anything else, Ms. Carriedo?
That's all I have, Your Honor. The three cases for.
Then
So if I can confirm with us, that's
you and
okay.
Moreno are excused. Did you want to confirm anything today?
Yes, I want to confer with them. Get the reset, but confer with them today.
All right, then we'll put you to confer. 633.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
633-617, State versus Carlos Enrique Gomez. We already had that with Mr. Acevedo. 634-722, Catherine Valenzuela. 637-697 and 699, State versus Lydia Mata, the attorney Carolyn Wentland.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Carolyn.
I think that there are like 7 people in line to confer. I will confer, but I wanted to see if I can log off, and then I'm going to go to my office and log back on.
Absolutely, because you're number 9, actually.
Yeah. Well, I'd expect, Judge, that I'm going to want to set this case for motions anyway, and then ultimately a trial setting, because my last conferring with the state and it did not seem like it was going to move it. But I do need to file my motions. I just verified with the system. I don't have any filed yet. And I don't want to put that on poor Patricia that I don't have my motions filed and get a setting until I get them filed.
Very good. Now, is Lydia Mata present?
She is, Judge.
Very good. So I'm going to mark you for, or schedule you for conferring. However, it is with the understanding that you're going to reset promotions. So we'll let you proceed from there.
It's perfect, Judge. And if I could go in line, and then if the line passes me while I
am doubtful that it will, but go ahead. 639934, State versus Joseph Connors, attorney Sean Brown.
Morning, Judge. Brian Oriole from Mr. Brown's office, and Mr. Connors is present as well, Judge.
Is it B-R-I-A-N?
B-R-Y.
B-R-Y-A-N. Okay, Brian. And you're here for, obviously, for Sean Brown. Now,
yes, sir.
Your client here, Connors.
Yes.
All righty. Joseph Connors, and what do you wish to do, sir?
Judge, on this case, we got the blood discovery a little late at the last setting. I was finishing reviewing it. I've done that. I need to send an order to the court to allow inspection and photographing of the blood vials on some things that popped up. So I'm going to get that file to the court. If we could have just a short pre-trial reset so I can get that order and take it over to Windcrest PD is what I would ask today.
All righty. 2 weeks due?
Just to be safe, Judge, is there any way we can do 3 weeks on that? It's hard, it's a little hard to get a hold of the detective over there.
21
November
days.
3rd,
Or is it you could play it online or
21 days, Patricia?
November 3rd, Judge.
All right.
And if I get it done before then, Judge, then I'll email Pat to either put it for a plea date or a trial date.
All right, sir. Do you have the reset scheduled date? You have any other case for yourself or Mr. Brown?
I do not believe so, Your Honor.
All right, then you're excused at this time.
All right, thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Stay safe. 640-549, State versus Humberto Reina, attorney. Joanne Eckel.
Good morning, Judge. I'm
Morning.
present. My client
My client is present. If you could put me in line to confer with the prosecutor, I would appreciate it.
You are on the list. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you
Judge.
both for being on time. The next one is already accounted for. That is Enrique Salazar. He is not present, but his attorney is. Enrique Salazar, have you arrived? Okay, still absent. 64247, pardon me. 642435, State versus Abraham Lechuga.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Attorney Cesar Montalvo. Mr. Lechuga, are you present?
He's in the courtroom, Judge. I'm in the courtroom.
All right, courtroom, Mr. Lechuga is present. How about the attorney, Cesar Montalvo?
I really have no idea where he's at right now.
All right, there's no response from Mr. Montalvo. We'll wait and see. 642991, State versus Javier Curtis, Xavier Curtis, and the attorney is Natasha Torres.
Good morning, Your Honor. Natasha Torres on behalf of Mr. Curtis. He's on the Zoom.
Good morning to you.
Your Honor, I anticipate that this is on the trial path. However, there are some pretrial motions I need to file. If we could have a motion setting to have those heard, or however the court would like to proceed.
We give you pretrial motions, or I always say pretrial motions are just that, pretrial. We're going to give you a setting.
Okay.
Patricia, will you arrange that and put it on the schedule?
I'll call Ms. Torres later on this morning.
Yes, ma'am. And how about Javier Torres or Xavier Curtis?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Very good. Thank you both. All right, then at this point, you're excused unless, do you have another case, Ms. Torres?
No, Your Honor, if we could be excused.
Y'all are excused. Ms. Garcia will get in touch with you about a motion schedule.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Welcome. Y'all take care. 644032, State versus James Flowers, attorney Ed Piker.
Here, Your Honor.
Mr. Flowers here in the courtroom, Judge?
Courtroom. We got a bunch of people in the courtroom today, huh?
Mhm.
Ed Piker?
Judge, he called, he's running late in other courts.
Other court. All right, Mr. Flowers, just stick around. Your attorney will be checking in. 644450, State versus Fernando Perez Roman.
Judge, that's myself, James Anders, and he took care of this, both of his cases this morning in jail court.
Okay, so we don't need him today. He's got, Perez Roman has been jail courted, huh?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Anders, do you have any other case today?
No, sir.
All right, then you're excused. Thank you for being here on time.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I'm Matt.
Take care. 644878, State versus Nathaniel Ramos, attorney Michael Collins. He answered earlier.
I'm here, Your Honor. My client's on Zoom, Your Honor.
I'm present. Is this shows that he's has applied or has been accepted in the pretrial diversion?
That's what I was just texting him about. Your Honor, I'd sent out the PTE applications, but I hadn't gotten them back from him. So I need to talk to him in a breakout room.
Patricia, would you place them in breakout?
Oh, and then also my other client, Josephine Gonzalez, is in the courtroom.
Very good.
She was one of the first ones called, Your Honor.
She was late, Judge. She came in at 9:15.
Oh, did you break out the whip, Ms. Castillo? All right. So we have her present. Very good. 9:15. Okay, Michael, what are you doing on Ms. Gonzalez?
I have the same problem. I sent out a PTD application and didn't get it back from her, so I need to talk to her about it.
Okay, so Patricia, would you please help Mr. Collins put him in breakout with his two clients?
Do you want to talk to both of them at the same time, Mr. Collins, or one at a time?
One at a time would be preferable, Patty.
Okay.
All right, Mike. Once you've talked to them, let us know what you're gonna do, okay?
Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 645-350, State versus Jasmine De Leon. Okay, that's Catherine Valenzuela. That's been signed. 648-084, State versus Napoleon Armstrong. And that is Marshall White. Marshall, I see you.
Good morning, Judge. I am present for Mr. Armstrong, and Mr. Armstrong is on the Zoom call. Mr. Armstrong, speak up.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I guess I need to get in line to confer, even though I do have another setting in another court, but I think I probably need to still get in line here.
I've listed you in the numerical order. You'll be coming up.
Thank you,
It's gonna be a
Judge.
little while because we only have one. Patty, who's in a jet plane and needs to be very good
It was Mr. Angoki, Keith Angoki.
again. All right.
Catherine is back, Judge, so she's been conferring to.
Okay, Ms. Valenzuela.
No, Catherine Reed is back from jail court.
Very
So
good.
she's
Now
conferring.
we have two of our people conferring. Very good.
Yes, sir. Did you want me?
Assign the next one. Who do you have in there right? Who has conferred already? Did Stacy Krause finish her conferring?
Let's see.
I guess not. How about
Yes.
Paula Acevedo?
No, Ashley's conferring with Paul. And Mr. Ngoki is back. I put him in breakout room 3 because Catherine is conferring with Catherine.
I'm here, Judge. Did you call me?
Okay, I've got. Have you completed conferring, Ms. Engelke?
Yes, she's agreed to send me an offer, and I have another Zoom at 186.
Patty, can you understand him?
Yes, sir. He's got another hearing in the 186. He finished conferring.
Then what is the result of the conferring?
She's agreed to send me an email
She's gonna send him an email
with an offer.
with an
All right,
offer.
so offer coming. And so we have what, 30-day reset?
That would be great, Your Honor.
Reset 30 days then.
Okay, and if Patty would just send me an invite, that would be great.
That's on Whitefeld, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you have another one, Mr. Engel?
Mr. Redford had 2, but I didn't have another client.
All right.
You do have another client?
I do
besides
not.
with-
Are you
not-
telling me I do?
Hello?
Hello?
Mr. Ngoki, do you have another client besides Patrick?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so you're good, right, Judge? He's good to go?
Yes, ma'am.
He and his client are excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, Marshall White is on the list now, 649-004. State versus Alberto Farias, attorney, Robert Gonzalez. Robert Gonzalez, attorney. No response. And Alberto Farias.
Sorry to interrupt. Am I okay to leave? This is Mr. Engelke's client, Patrick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you.
Farias, Alberto Farias.
Judge, that got reset. Attorney Robert Gonzalez had just gotten hired, and he's from Corpus. So it got reset for November 17th.
Thank you, ma'am. 650-379. State versus Selene Hernandez, attorney, Marisa Ayon.
I'm present, Your Honor. If I could confer with the state.
You're on the list for conferring, ma'am. You're number 12 at this point.
Thank you.
your-
And
is your
Ms.
client-
Hernandez.
Is your client, Ms. Hernandez, present?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, she
I
is.
am present, Your Honor.
Very good. All right. Y'all are scheduled for conferring.
Thank you.
The next case has been rescheduled, Patty. Then we have 652-619 State versus Jaime Huizar. Attorney Roberto Ambrosino Jr. Roberto Ambrosino Jr., attorney, no response.
Judge, I had seen him on the screen earlier.
Well, doesn't do me any good. And as of right now, he's absent. So is his client, Jaime Huizar. Scheduled for a plea. Jose Reyes, case number 653-491, attorney Ed Piker.
Piker is in other courts, Your Honor.
Okay,
Late,
This is-
yes, sir.
is this going to be a plea? Do we know?
No sé. Jose Reyes,
Jose Reyes, marked absent. All right, two cases on Jose Compian, 659-864, 659-865, State of Texas versus Jose Compian. Attorney is Luis Martinez.
I have Mr. Campion in the courtroom, Judge.
Courtroom, very good. We got a busy courtroom today.
Mm-hmm.
Luis Martinez. Luis Martinez, no response at this time. Then we have six 739, 740, 741, 742. All of them styled the State of Texas versus Jonathan Rojas Aparicio, attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Aparicio.
Good morning, sir.
You go by Aparicio, Rojas Aparicio, or Rojas?
I go by Rojas, sir.
Rojas, okay. We will keep that in mind, or at least try to.
Okay, sir.
Have we heard from Ronald Zimmerman, attorney?
Yes, Judge, I am present. And if we could, Judge, confer with the state. I was speaking to Ms. Pollard on our last setting. I believe she's in the auxiliary court right now, but
she's back.
Has she returned?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then if I could be put in line, Judge, to speak to Ms. Pollard.
You are scheduled accordingly.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Two cases, 663-970 and 663-970, no, 663-977 and 664-191, State versus Omar Valdez Moreno, attorney, Scott Engelke. I don't guess Mr. Engelke realized he had this case. Scott?
Is Moreno, Valdez Moreno Omar available or on, logged on?
Hello? Mr. Omar Valdez Moreno. Absent. Mr. Engelke, we need to remind him he had this case. I don't think he realized it. 664697. State versus Draviran Williams. And that's Matthew Finch.
Good morning, Judge. Present for Mr. Williams. He's also present on Zoom. He and I have been exchanging emails.
Very good. What do you
I'm going to need to confer on this case, Judge. So just put me in line if you don't mind.
I am listing you for conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, may I make an announcement, update on my client's case, Your Honor, that's in the breakout room?
And who is speaking?
Mike Collins, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Mike Collins, talk to me, Mike.
I have Nathaniel Ramos in the breakout room. I talked to him. He says that he had trouble with his computer, hadn't been able to print off that PTD application. He swears to me he's gonna, when he goes to work today, he's gonna get it done at work and send me back that the PTD applications, Your Honor.
Okay, now, which case number is that?
644-878-645-069.
644. Okay. And what are we gonna do then?
He says he's gonna, I sent him out again, the PTD applications, and he said he had problems with the first time because of his computer, couldn't print them out. And he says he's gonna go to work and for sure get it done today.
I'm gonna recall this in 2 weeks, okay?
That's fair, Your Honor.
And the other case?
I guess I need to be put in a breakout room with my other clients. It's in the courtroom. Josephine Gonzalez.
The other one is Josephine Gonzalez. Patricia, place him in breakout.
Is Mr. Ramos gonna be excused, Judge?
Do it work in the garage?
Your Honor,
Yes,
is Mr. Ramos excused from the breakout room?
yes, ma'am. He conferred with Mike, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, he's excused. He's already got, you already have a court date. I'm sure you'll remind your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
668-528, State versus Joshua Erickson, attorney, Raimundo Aleman. Raimundo Aleman. No response from Raimundo. Joshua Erickson. Marked absent. 666-981 is Mr. Brian De La Rosa's client, but so far that is Teto Lopez is a failure to appear.
So what is your attorney trying to do for you?
My attorney is going to stay out of my way. 669-454, State versus Latoya Holmes, who's in jail. Attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Eric Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. We just got out of jail court. It did not go well. I'm going to have to set that for a competency exam on these cases as well. I will follow that motion today.
Very good.
Am I free to go, Your Honor?
You are excused with the condition that you will file your motion for competency.
I will get that done before the afternoon is over.
Very good. Then
Have a good day, sir.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Then we have one add-on that I know of. 608-749. That's going to be a Zoom play. Pedro Granados, an attorney.
Honor, good morning.
Collins.
Yes, sir. Good morning. He is present.
Mr. Granados.
He's here, Judge. Can you see him? Wave or make
I see
yourself.
him.
Okay.
I see him. All right. Well, we're going to handle this morning, Mr. Collins. Are you ready?
I think so, Judge. We did all the paperwork already, so it should be ready to proceed.
All right.